Yeah, I'm Eric Johnson, owner and CEO of GM Industries.
And I'm Jeff Johnson, Vice President, Lead Programmer and Foreman of the shop.
Yeah, we've been in business for 25 years in leading technologies of CNC machining.
Yep, we're a high precision machine shop. We specialize in a wide array of industries such as aerospace,
Manufacturing and quality control. We have 2 quality control labs. We have 3 facilities. We do paint, wet, and powder. We just try and stay ahead of the curve with all the highest equipment we can get. I had a very large project come up, and I called NIMAT to get some help on determining what type of machines I need for this project. And with that one phone call, I was led to Kitamura machines, which I had dealt with years ago, and it resulted in me purchasing 15 of them for a specific project, and that's where we're standing right now. The reason I bought Kitamura was their accuracy, their speed, and the high spindle, you know, the 20,000 RPMs on the horizontal, 30,000 RPMs on the 5-axis. Nobody could compete with that. And just moving those parts to these machines with very little change, I increased productivity immensely. There's 9 5-axis machines and 6 4-axis machines that I purchased. After the sale, NIMAT was there all the way. They jumped in 100%. I think they sent over 9 or 10 people to get this set up and operating as quick as possible. They took care of any problems. I couldn't ask for more. They did an amazing job.